where's Hiccup? I've missed him for so very long time. Not even do it. He'll be back for me. I don't see him. Man, I miss Toothless. I wonder where he is now. I lost a leg the last time I remember giving him here. I told him I'll be back for him in 2 years. Toothless, you alright? Hiccup, is that you? Yes. Where's your other writers? Like Iron Man and Spider-Man. Oh, Iron Man, he died. He got rid of me because I was like flying. These neighbors didn't want me. Now Spider-Man, he got rid of me too because he hates how I fly. He hates me. He got rid of me. Oh, I'm happy to see me. Yes. So happy you found me now. Don't you ever abandon me like that. Ever again. You wanna go on a fly? Okay. Yeah. What the? Toothless? Well, you can't fly. Oh yeah, I forgot. Your tail's gone. Oh, I forgot. You lost your... What color was your tail you had the last time? Brown? Yeah, it was brown, but now it's gone. Just let me make another one. So how'd you like back from to the shop? Huh? Huh? Shh, what the? Huh? See, now that works. So we're on. Dun dun. We're on. Dun dun. That's done. Oh my god, it's working. Dun dun. Dun dun. I did it! Wow. Yeah, that was kind of cool. Yeah, today's about teamwork. What? Get on to you and see you can fly. Okay there, bud. We're gonna take this nice and slow. Here we go. No, 3, no, 4. That's designed to... Whoa. Alright, go time. Alright, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, sorry. No, it's my fault. Yeah, I'm on it. 3. Yeah, go, baby. Yeah. Yeah. This is amazing. That's my Dichi. No. Ow. Ow. Gotta take me stuff. Oh. Ow! God! For you now. Yeah. Come on. Subscribe and like for no cool videos coming up. Because I found poopers now. Yeah, see you guys later in the next video. See ya. Subscribe and like so you won't miss it on a lot of fun. If you like Poopers vs. Godzilla, well, this time part 4, the final battle. Coming soon. Coming soon. August 24th, 2017. Coming up Thursday. Subscribe if you guys wanna subscribe for no cool videos coming up so you won't miss out on a lot of fun. If you don't wanna miss a lot of fun, you're gonna see the whole plush toy collection that Mikey has. So if you wanna see that video, you're gonna see that tomorrow, the 23rd. 23rd. No, today you're gonna see the plush collection. Alright? The toy and plush collection. Alright? Then begin today. See you guys later. Alright. Forgot. Good luck. See you guys in the next video. Bye. See you later. Well, come on, supposed to go on a kayak sprint. Goodbye. Alright, come on, supposed to go on more adventures. Bye bye, guys. See you later.